I'm Loz and welcome back to Grandpa's Workshop. In this video I'm trying to get something batched out from my half-done projects. This is the bench ToolTill to put on the back of the bench, level with the surface, and put my 4 hand saws in. I'm sure you've all seen in a previous episode, and I have space to slot in my 6 new chisels, all marked out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a space there for 6 chisels. I've got some tooling out to do that, and then I've got a section in here for other things, maybe the screwdrivers. The whole thing you've seen propped up in the background of various videos is just made from some off the peg 70mm by 20mm whitewood from the big box store. 70mm is 2 3/4 by just over 3/4 of an inch. I made it by putting 2 of those strips with some gaps which are at about 12mm thick, in order to take the thicken back on the saws and the stems of the chisels. So I've just moved off the top, then I'm going to mark it out and drill it to be screwed on the back, but I've also got to drill out some cone shaped holes that will take the, is it the ferrule? The bit behind, the bit on the chisel between the blade and the handle, which is a tapered ferrule, I think. So I'm going to drill it out with one of these. So let's get set up for that. Trying to do that. So. There we go, a little bit of tidying up. And these drop down. I'll get the push ones out once I've finished. That's good. It's good enough for a bit of shop work. It just gives a little bit of a recess to stop the thing sliding. Yeah, hang on. It's still a bit rough, but I'll show you. Of course, it helps if the safety glasses and my glasses don't steam up. I don't know, bloody continuity issues. Good morning again, I'm Loz and welcome back to Gunpar's workshop. The ToolTill for me Sjobergs Nordic Plus bench is finished. As you can see, it's in place. And just as I wanted, it lets me put my lovely saws, my Veritas carcass and dovetail saws in place, safe, so I can't drop or damage or crash the blades. What do you think? It's taken quite a bit off the wall. I've got my set of chisels that fit nice and snugly in those slots, spare slots for me screwdrivers or whatever, and my 4 beautiful saws, and it fits snugly, and that's about it really. That process was quite simple, and that's it. Right, sorry about continuity. The longer I spend in the garage, the more I seem to mess my old film camera gear up, but needs must when the devil drives. I will catch you again, you crack on, I'm going to have another cup of tea, and I'll see you in the next one.